Hello everyone, today about soldering iron SanErYiGo SH73 is an improved version of SH72 with new functions like display and sleep timer. Original soldering tip included. Power will be from the power bank with a quick charge adapter for 12 volts. The left button for decrease temperature and right for increase temperature. To change language, you must follow these steps. Press and hold left button for few seconds. Press right button twice, then hold it. And again press twice and hold it. Then press once to select English. Press and hold left button to confirm. So on the main page we can select temperature setting or time setting. In the temperature setting we can adjust temperature step, sleep temperature, work temperature. Okay, in time setting we can adjust sleep time and off time. Also we have other setting where we can see input voltage, room or body temperature. Also you can change language, select between Celsius or Fahrenheit. Also you can see software version and restore default setting. You can see how works sleep and off timer. Here is comparison with the previous model.